The kitchen is a perfect example of this design philosophy, with sleek white cabinetry and wooden accents, creating a seamless flow from cooking to dining. Outdoor spaces are just as important. Imagine a cozy patio filled with rattan furniture, surrounded by lush greenery, an ideal setting for relaxation or entertaining guests. Picture a spacious living area adorned with large glass windows that offer stunning views of the surrounding palm trees and ocean. The minimalist approach emphasizes simplicity and functionality, using natural materials like wood and stone to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. In the bedroom, large sliding doors open to a private garden, allowing the gentle sounds of nature to create a tranquil environment. Each area of the house is designed to connect with the outdoors, enhancing your living experience while promoting a sense of peace and harmony. Sustainability is key in this design, featuring elements like solar panels and rainwater harvesting systems, ensuring that your tropical retreat is not only beautiful, but also eco-friendly.